Hey, good morning, guys. Today we are hunting for waterfalls. So it's early in the morning, about 8 a.m. So we came to this park. And so we're gonna go up to the waterfall, and we don't know this place yet, so we're gonna find out how it looks over here. So we get my stuff, and then we go. It's a little bit cold today, but it's sunny, so it's good. I'm gonna take the jacket just in case I get cold. All right, let's go. As you can see, there are a lot of people with masks still, so we're still, going through this whole pandemic thing. So we had to wear masks, so I gotta put mine on. I'm using a new settings on the GoPro, so hopefully the images are really clear or better than for the past videos that we had done. So, all right, let's go and find out about this waterfall, how it looks. Steep way, right? Look, but so far, I mean, now it looks so beautiful now. Look at that over there. I think that's the first waterfall. I never been to this place here. It looks pretty good. Look at that. Oh, there is another path over there. You can go up there and get closer to the waterfall. We're gonna have to try that. Yeah, it's really nice. What is that yellow color over there? Like it's a plant? I don't know. It looks nice too. When we got here, there was not many people because we still were able to find parking, which if we had come a little bit later, there would be no parking at all. So you had to park somewhere else along the road. So when you come like summertime and then come to hike to these places in Pacific Northwest, you have to go early hiking. Otherwise the parking lot, it happened to us several times where we couldn't find parking, so we had to go to another place because this place is beautiful. See guys, look at that. A lot of trees. Lots of trees. And there are a lot of people already here, so when we got there on the parking lot, a lot of people were leaving as well, so they came really early, which is the best time for you to come and hike, especially on this sunny day. I don't know, some people go there. Oh, it's just like you had to go all around, I guess. We can go through here, Carson, since it's I guess you can. Maybe we just not supposed to do this, but it's a shortcut. What happened?
I'm tired.
You were making fun of me at the other mountain that we went, and I'm gonna make fun of you. I was sick last time. That's why, I mean, I wasn't feeling like sick of having an illness. I got the second vaccine shot, so that made me feel sick, but I still went out and get the video done for that weekend. It just felt really bad when I went up to the mountain. It was kind of hard to breathe. I got tired so fast. But at the end of the day, it was fine. Look at that. I think we're getting closer to the top of the waterfall. Enjoy that while my wife enjoy her coffee. That looks very scary, guys. We're gonna take some pictures here. It is really scary. I don't even want to get closer there, you know. It's kind of like, it's just, this is nice. I like it because it's rocky. But some people get really close over there. You can tell right away when people just sit down there and take pictures. That's very dangerous. Anyways, let's take some pictures, guys. Lady, come. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at that. Oh, look at this. This is a nice view over here. Oh, it's a boat over there. Got over here.
She's
I just wanted to get this.
No, you're all good. I didn't know. She just does this every time she's on a leash.
Oh, it's okay.
She thinks she's guarding the hill.
It's a nice one, though. My goodness, that dog scared me. That's why I don't like dogs. I mean, I don't like dogs, like having a dog for myself, but I know a lot of people do. Good thing is that dog wasn't on a leash. Otherwise, I would push me out of the cliff there. Oh my god, that dog scared me. Now I have to go to the doctor, one of those shamans, to get my spirit back.
Is that one of the superstitious beliefs in Mexico?
Bro, that was a scary dog. So far it has been good. We have been probably like 30 minutes walking already and stopping,
like
not just walking, because we rest. We take a lot of breaks. She doesn't like to keep going.
I'm trying to keep up with your pace, but it's just hard.
Oh, this is not really like, I think the mountain that we climbed that was harder was the Wind Mountain. Oops, my step. Yeah, the Wind Mountain was harder to climb. That will require some, but we also rest a lot, so this one is nothing compared to that one. So she should be fine, corazón.
Trying.
You should get in line with those old ladies over there on the back. They were taking breaks. That was an old lady, like maybe 70 or more.
No, they're probably in their 60s.
Oh, that old lady was in the middle. She was really old, and she's still going up with them hiking, you know, taking breaks, but
They can hear us.
no, they're far away. They stay with the dog over there. Anyways, we're gonna continue. Look at this, guys. This is beautiful. It's sunny out there, but under the trees is dark over here. Let's go, keep going, because the dog is coming. I'm scared of that dog. Go, 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 go. We almost going back to the parking lot, I guess. It's just kind of like a loop going up to the mountain all around the waterfall and then go down back to the parking lot. So I hope we are in the right direction. We'll find out when we get there. Alright, we made it to the road. We have to be careful because it's a busy street here. A lot of people come to hike. Look at that. The road here, driving is amazing. You have so many beautiful views. I think we had to go. Let's go on the street here. Oh, the parking lot is just right there. So just go this way so people, cars can see us. Yeah, there's another trail down there. There are way too many trails here. So beautiful. So besides that, we are done with summertime, I think, right? Is it?
Yeah.
I think we are already down to falls now. So that's when the trees leaves start falling, turning yellow, orange, and then they fall. And then we have a lot of leaves from everywhere on the street. So raining season is coming. It rains a lot almost every day. It's cloudy every single day. So that's why this summer we try to enjoy as much as we could because we couldn't travel anywhere else. So all we had to do is just travel local, safely, as much as we could, you know, like just wearing masks here and there, you know. When it's not a lot of people, we take off our mask. Otherwise, we wear it. All right, let's cross single line. Look at this bridge, it's beautiful. So busy, 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 busy. It's nice, huh? It's my first time being in this place, like actually walking. Because we just go to different places and then we just pass by. But today we decided to come and see it for the first time. It's beautiful here. Right now a lot of people are coming in, so we're just gonna hop into our car and keep going so other people can get the spot and enjoy this place as well. So okay, let's go to the next one.
The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now. Getting tired.
You recognize this place? This is Waterfalls. We just came here to eat, to get something to snack on. And because it's cooler, I may get coffee too. It's a lot of people, a lot of tourists, a lot of tours. Get some restaurant. Beautiful here.
¿Cómo estás, mami? Te quería preguntar ¿cómo remix si estás pa' mí? ¿O estás para los demás? Mi amor, no pares, de ti siempre quiero más. La luna llena, bajaré con estrellas en el mar. Tú eres la chica que mueve el movimiento. Eso significa que tu cuerpo también. Me han contado que a ti te gusta lento. O sea, el proceso, me imagino lo otro también.
Oh, look at this, guys. This is so beautiful over here. We just stop along the highway to, you see it right there? Just the highway. So we just came to finish the video here. Look at that. Oh man, how can I forget the drone? This is so, there is no wind, nothing. So beautiful. There's a lot of people fishing right now. Very nice. Look at this, guys. So beautiful. Alright guys, so we're gonna wrap up this video over here. I know it's a little bit noisy. We are on the side of the highway, so it's very noisy. Anyways, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you guys like the area where we went. And until next time, please don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram, on Facebook, YouTube, of course. Anyway, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.